All right, and we're back. Just want to show you guys how I have the DOSS Soundbox P400 Professional mounted. Okay, so I ended up using two straps. I used a piece of the styrofoam that came in the packaging. It's not really styrofoam. It's like a spongy, like a sponge rubber that it's packaged in. What I did was I cut a piece out to mount it, and you can see, I mean, the thing is, it's firm. It's not going anywhere. So bear with me a minute. I'm going to pop the fairing off. Let me do this. Extend these legs here. I'll set the camera down. I'm going to pop off the Road Warrior, and then I'll show you underneath and behind exactly how this looks. Okay, so plenty of room in between, fairing all the way around. You got plenty of gap both sides, so nothing's scraping, nothing's hitting. Okay, so now let me do this. I'll pop this off. Here we go. Let's get that out of the way. Set that down over here because I don't want to be bumping it and scratching it. So here, like I said, this comes into packaging. This comes into packaging with the speaker. So what's nice about this, the way I have this set up now, and again, it's quick disconnect. I popped the two buckles. I actually tied the two ends together for the rest of the straps. So you pop the two buckles, and the whole thing lifts off. Okay, this piece comes off. Everything comes off, so it doesn't need to stay on the bike all the time. And main reason I wanted it, like I said, I can use a left earbud when I'm riding, but I don't like to do that. I would prefer having both ears open so I can hear exactly what the heck's going on around me. And this seems to fit the bill so far. So up to about 75, I can hear this. Okay, the way it's laid out. And again, this has a light in the screen too, which, you know, the directions show you how to turn it off. And what I like about this one over the last one that I had, I ended up giving the last one to my wife, so she's using that so she can listen to her music. But what's nice about this is right on this side is where I cut my freaking nails real short, so I have trouble getting this open now. There we go. Okay, so down here, let's get this, let me get you angled. All right, right there is your charging port. Okay, auxiliary line in. There's your charger, and that's for a micro SD. So you can put music on a micro SD and just listen to it that way. I again prefer my Waze with the Wonvon, and you can control this through that. And then I listen to Pandora or iHeartRadio, Spotify, whatever I'm in the mood for. All right, but what's nice again is I can plug the power here, and you guys with the Sport Glides in particular, and I think all the new Softails, this is a USB port. So I come out of here with the power cord. I don't even have to take this thing off if I don't want to, but I come out of here with the power cord, run it down over here, and it plugs right into the USB right there. So, you know, it's just 18 inches maybe to get down there to get power for it. So again, with that said, it's functioning well so far. I would like to come up with something a little bit better than this packing material, although this has give, so when I tightened it down and release, you know, put the tension on it, it holds it tight in place. Again, you see, it doesn't move. So far it's working. I'm debating whether to, I was thinking, you know, you got that spray foam insulation. I was thinking I could wrap this in plastic bag, the front of the fairing, or just spray foam insulation in between here and the fairing inside a plastic bag, because that'll expand and that'll hold that tight. So I don't know. It's a debatable. Again, I don't like permanently mounted speakers on the handlebars or on the engine guard. I'm not into that. I don't like that. I don't want to have to run a separate amp. This is everything amplifier. 50 watts is what they claim And again, DOSS is a great, phenomenal speaker. I told you guys in unpacking of this, I have one that's 15 years old. It still charges up. The charge lasts for 3 days, like overnight or 12-hour shift. That thing, it holds juice 36 hours. I can play it for 3 days before it needs recharging. And it's 15 years old. That one, I believe, was 35 watts when I bought it. So it was twice the cost of this one. They're down to, like I said, like $47 I paid for that. So, but so far so good. And like I said, I will do a follow-up and let you guys know for sure, because I do want to take this bike on a trip probably in the next month, and we'll see how this works out. Main thing I want it for is my Waze. So I have my maps, and then, you know, I have my directions through the maps. I can hear everything without having to run an earbud. All right, I'm bloviating. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Not sure what it's going to be. You know, we'll just go from there. As always, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if one of my videos helps you out, the coffee link is live. People told me it's pronounced coffee. It's Ko-Fi. The link is live for my autistic son. You know, if you guys, anything helps, you know, please consider donation if one of my videos helps you out, okay? I would appreciate it, and I'm sure my son would appreciate it. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.